go over how to draw Buddha Blox from Fruit Blox. All right, let's get started. It's gonna be right here now. We're gonna draw a circle right here. So let's just draw a complete circle. Well, not complete, but it's like kind of like the letter C aiming downward. Down over here, down over here. Like so. So see that kind of shape right there? They're like circle at the top, aiming downward. And then we're going to draw an actual complete circle on the inside. And by the way, this stuff is easy, so like stay with me on this. It's completely simple. And then we're going to close this off right here. Just kind of like a slight curve at the bottom, so it looks like we're looking up at downward onto it, right? Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you do like this stuff. If you like these lessons, absolutely hit a like. It definitely helps the channel out. It lets me know what you like and don't like. So now, top of this Buddha Fruit Blox here, we're gonna go over here now, and it's gonna angle out right here. It'll angle upward. So we're gonna angle from 1 up right there. And then from the back over here, it's going to angle downward a little bit. It's going to have like a slope, right? It's going to slope up and then slope down. Right there. Curve along this side, downward. Right? It's going to look like a big block of butter, pretty much. That's pretty much what he looks like to me. And then over here in the back, it's going to slope down or like just go downward as well. So he's a block. So we want to be able to see these edges. Where are these edges, right? And where are we going to see them? So let's draw one edge over here. Right there. And then see how that's like a corner? We can see like there's a corner right there on that side. And by the way, say hi to me in the comment section. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Say hi, and I'll reply to every single reply right now. If you reply right now, hello, anything, I'm going to reply to every single one because I'll know that you watched it. I'm like, hey, what's up? So say hi, and I'll reply. So I want this corner. Now that we got this corner, this edge, we want the other corner too. Over here on this side. Okay, so far so good. We have a block, right? Kind of a smooth block, nothing wild, nothing too heavy or anything like that. Okay. Now we want to go over here. I'm going to curve down, and it's going to be wrapped in like a blanket, pretty much. Okay. Curve line over here, right there. Line up around this side. Line over here. Downward, downward, downward. Okay. Gonna go up over here now. Out over here. Out over here. Out over here. Line over here. So see this angle right there? This angle is going to be the same as this angle right here because it's the same block. So see how it's like, see that the edge of that block right there? It's like that angle. It's going to be almost the same exact angle because it's, you know, like I said, it's part of that. So same thing goes over here. See how this angle right there of that block, it's going to be the same thing when it touches the ground as well. So it's just something to kind of keep in mind because some people might be a little bit mixed up about that. They're like, oh no, where do I go? So always they're always parallel. They're always aiming in that direction. Curve right there. All right, so far so good. If you got this far, you pretty much, this is like the most of it already. You're pretty much mostly done, okay? So far so good, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. You're amazing. Let's go over here on this side. line over there. Just throw a line right there on that little holder or whatever. Curve line over here. You can even draw a little line underneath it because it's gonna definitely give a good kind of a good vibe right there. Let's go over here now. Like the main part of this, right, is the face, right? The Buddha block of the face. So over here on this side, we're gonna go. Well, first thing we're gonna do is I want to draw actually the little toward the bottom, the little mouth circle right there. So it's a little circle, like kind of laying on its side. Almost looks like a little egg, right? It's a little mouth going wee, you know, or oh my gosh. And then the eyes are gonna be over here, but they're gonna be larger, the eyes. So over here on this side, so more like a standing up egg. Curve underneath. Curve over here, down. All right, it's like an egg, but it has like a little chunk taken out of it on that egg standing up. Okay. Good so far, right? Same thing on this side. It's going to be also a standing up egg, but it's also going to have a chunk taken out of it on the other side right there. You got that kind of design in that eye right there. All right. So pretty much you could leave it like this and it would be done, but we're going to give it a little bit of extra oomph, right? Because we want to do that. By the way, don't forget to check out all the cool stuff in the description. If you want to check out like how to draw a cute drawing ebook, if you want to check out a Godzilla head drawing, stuff like that, I'm going to put that in the description there. The Gumroad. Go check that stuff out. That stuff's free right now. It's normally not free. It's basically there to help you. So if you want to become like amazingly good at drawing like cute drawings, right? If you're like, okay, how do I draw this, you know, character as a cute character, or how do you draw, you know, like your friend as a cute, you know, character, right? It shows you, oh, it's proportions. It's big head, small body. That'd be proportional, right? But how big and how small? Like how would you do that? And I have charts there on that free worksheet. There's literal charts, like you make the head this many sizes big, and then if you make the head bigger, you slip into chibi format, you know, chibi, the cute Japanese art, and I show you the difference between that. I give you choices for what hands you could use. You could use little nubs, you could use hands, all kinds of stuff like that. That stuff is 100% for free. You can download that right now, and you just look at it. There's no book, right? There's no like reading a ton of junk or anything. It's like nine pages of that 10-page ebook is pictures. It's just charts to see it, like boom, 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 boom. Oh, okay, got it, right? And you can always use it as a guide. So go download that ebook. It's free right now, but I'm not always gonna have it free. So let's go over here to the blanket curve, like just a couple of lines to make it a little bit more blankety. And that's pretty much it. You got your character. So I want to thank you very much. Share the video if you can. And also, stay here because we're going to keep drawing, all right? Stay right there. We're going to keep drawing. Let's keep going. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.